Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to fix can show invitation to bouncer on Payday 3. So the first thing that we will need to do is the common reasons of can show invitation to bouncer bag on Payday 3. So here are some common causes. First one is the bag in the game. The most common reason for the can show invitation to bouncer bug is a glitch or bug in the game. This can happen due to a variety of reasons, such as a coding error or a problem with the game's servers. Now, the second one is the incorrect sequence of actions. Another reasons why you may be experiencing the bug is that you are not following the correct sequence of actions to show the invitation to the bouncer. So there are different ways to get past the bouncer and get into the VIP room. And if you're not following the right steps, you might encounter the bug. Make sure you are following the correct sequence of actions, such as breaking into the Cassandra Rifkin's office, hacking her phone, stealing the block VIP pass, authenticating it, and presenting it to the bouncer. Next is technical issues. Sometimes technical issues can cause the can't show invitation to bouncer bug. Next is the achievement related bug. Finally, there's a bug related to the achievement that you can only get if you don't show the invitation to the bouncer. The next one is we're going to know if how to fix the can't show invitation to bouncer bug on Payday 3. So for step number one, we have to restart the game. Next is to complete the mission differently. And third is to pick up the scan invitation. The fourth one is to check for updates. If you want more information about this one, you can visit this website. Okay, just copy this URL. And that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye.